Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Number 2. Classic 14 ounces and 20 ounce acrylic. All-purpose acrylic glasses. Each glasses holds fluid 20-ounce maximum capacity, 6.1-inch height, both 3.15-inch mouth diameter. Enjoy your favorite beverage in these crystal rainbow-colored drinking cups. Perfect for everyday use at family dinners and meals on the patio. Serve guests soda, lemonade, or iced tea with these durable cups by the pool. BPA-free, made of acrylic, for optimal wine presentation and enjoyment. Durable material will not shatter like glass. Top rack dishwasher safe. If hand washing, do not use abrasive sponges or brushes. Satisfaction guaranteed. We stand behind our premium products and are dedicated to making our customers happy.